All right, it is 8:01, 8 o'clock. Already had breakfast, started a fire. I think I got up about 6. There was quite a few people here last night. Well, they've really scattered out and gone. Back over here, that dry spot straight ahead is where I had my tent. There's the gal in the hammock that yesterday had a cat follower for a long time, and she finally got someone to take it to an area where they could take it into a refuge. Listen to the birds. That's where it came from. First view of the day. I'm zoomed in. I don't know what that little enclave is, but really pretty. And I was moving so good. Now this won't take long to get over. Okay, I don't think. I just step over. Maybe. I sure can't go under it. Yeah. I like it when you can see around the corners. I'm mostly on the way downhill, but you can see way over there is where the trail goes. It goes right in there somewhere. Oh yeah, it goes up that way. All right, that's the way I came from. I just came up to, I'm at Iron Mountain Gap and heading back up to the trail there. I'm not sure what road this is. Doesn't matter. Look up Iron Mountain Gap. I've been in the woods for quite some time. This is kind of a unique spot where I'm out of the woods. So enjoy the change of scenery. The birds are going crazy. All right, I've been going uphill for quite some time. It's a killer. Still have more to go though. I'm going to, I think it's called Iron Mountain. And then that'll be the highest for a little while. Nice rock formation. You really can't see through the trees, especially with the camera, for a view. We're pretty high. Rough, huff and puff and rough just passed me. They're through hikers. I had forgotten. They stayed at the campsite last night where I was. Taking a break on Iron Mountain. All right, arriving at Clyde Smith Shelter. I think it's 370.5 northbound mile marker. There is some bunk space at the top. Nice fire pit. Damn, this is way too early for me, but what the hell? Good tent space. Okay, I've been climbing a little while. On my way to Little Rock Knob Vista. So I'm pretty high up. I don't know the elevation. But there's supposed to be some good views from the Vista. And then point one beyond that, it's a possible tent site. It's not a shelter. So I had to pack extra water. It makes it heavy coming up like this. I do see some mountains over there. Hopefully we'll have a good view up here at this Vista. This is definitely steep over here on the left. All right, I need my hiking poles. I think I can do this. That's where it came from. I feel like we're going to be coming around the corner to this Vista. Look at this. Oh yeah, that's got to be it right there. Let's go out, take a quick look. Oh yeah, nice, very nice. Let's see what kind of cliff we're on here. Oh yeah, we're on a cliff. There's no fall forward. Oh, nice. Let's zoom in. Okay, I've reached the site. Somebody left a comment 1/10 of a mile north of that view, and it looks pretty good. I'm high up here. We could get some winds, and it's probably going to be cold, but I've got a good quilt. Cool. Fire ring. Awesome. I'll go down here after a while, but check out, see if there's some more views, but get my tent set up. This is it. Go for it. Right there, baby. X marks the spot.